My name is Maureen Lee. I work for Wrexham County Council as the Affordable Housing Officer. I've been at the National Assembly workshop today. I really do think it's worthwhile. I've learnt a lot of how the laws are passed in this country. I do feel that we should have more workshops. The workshop today was definitely, we could have had a bit more information of what's being consulted on at the moment, but I do think the workshops are very worthwhile, and I think they should happen more often to make people feel more involved and to make a difference to what laws are passed in our country.
I'm a community development worker for Cartrefi Conwy, so we're here today with about 8 members of our Tenants Forum Management Committee. I think the event was good. It gave us a big overview on how we can feed into consultations, and it's definitely something we're going to build in as a structure now for the tenant, especially for the Tenants Forum Management Committee to feed in, so that we are getting tenants' views on a national level and legislation.